Hi, I'm Justin Bieber. Some people call me Justin Bieber, but whoever heard of a last name called Bieber? Beaver is more better. And so, my voice is very talented. I've been working on this new song called Baby in a different pitch voice. Baby, yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, yeah, 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 yeah.
Baby, yeah, 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 yeah.
Baby, 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 oh, like baby, 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 oh, baby, 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 oh, baby, 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 oh, like baby, 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 no, like baby, 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 oh. Hi, I'm Justin Bieber's bodyguard. I don't know why people think it's Justin Bieber. I mean, seriously. No! I'm the only one with the camera! No! I never say never karate people. Da, 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 da. I am serious about the Grammy. I got it, guys. I got it. Okay, he was gonna say, no. I am serious about the Grammys. I am gonna win the gold. He will win it. I'm gonna win the Grammys. You are home. My never say never karate people are going a little wild. They're fine. Let's go to I'm going to New York tomorrow! And a person that knows Indian dancing to come and serve the Never Say Never crew. Boom, chicka, boom, chicka,